How to make a graph in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Simply open Excel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply select the data you want to add in your graph in Excel and simply click on Insert on top, which is beside Home and Draw. You'll find all the charts. If you don't have any options, simply go to recommended charts, and here you'll find graphs. You can simply select one and then press on OK. The data will be formatted into your graph in this way. This is how to make a graph in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.